Evening news. Queen's crown missing.
The Queen's diamond crown is missing from Buckingham Palace. The crown is worth millions of pounds. The police are looking for Professor X. The police think Professor X is hiding the crown.
Many people phone the police.
Where Professor X?
He's near the British Museum.
He's opposite the Tower of London,
which between Big Ben and Westminster Bridge.
Inspector Gay is near the Victoria Underground. Chief Inspector said give instructions.
Quick! Go to the British Museum. Turn left at the main gate. Professor X is to the bus stop near the museum.
Inspector K goes to the British Museum and looks Professor X.
Ring, 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 ring. Is Professor X at the bus stop?
No, there's a young woman.
Ring, 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 ring. Quick, go to the Green Park. Turn right at the entrance. Go straight on. Professor X is on the bench under the tree.
Inspector K goes to the Green Park and looks for Professor X.
Ring, 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 ring. Is Professor X on the bench?
No, there's an old man.
Quick, goes to the Tower of London. Professor X is sitting in the cafe opposite the tower. Inspector K goes to the cafe and looks for Professor X. Is Professor X in the cafe?
No, there's a tourist.
Quick, go to the Big Ben. Professor X is between Big Ben and Westminster Bridge. Hurry, where are you now?
I'm between Big Ben and Westminster Bridge. I'm helping an old lady
with a
pram.
Be careful, are you sure it's an old lady?
No.
The Inspector K looks again.
You are an old lady, and this is not a baby. You are Professor X, and coming with me. The King's crown is safe now.